blah. Okay, I only responded in 2022. They even went to the extreme of calling me. I don't know, their manager, what called me to say they're from Sentin, they want to collaborate with me, whatever story that they gave me. And then I told them that unfortunately I cannot, my husband just passed away. Actually called me a day after my husband passed away. You know, they were like, sorry, okay, sorry, Saivala Lo chapter 2022. Haibo, wabuyu muntu. At that time, in the Bengazi, go to Thabo Bester, you know, iMedia. Instagram, it's iMedia. They're dealing with influencers, they're dealing with celebrities, you know, like it's well packaged, well presented. They said they wanted to collaborate with me for since 2021. I was shoot man.
Somebody is cards.
You know? Okay, sega shonile, now I can saying right, like saying okay to be doing business. Let me, you know, engage with them. But they're looking for a presenter for a new show. And it's like sort of like a lifestyle show where you'll be traveling all Paris. It's lifestyle, fashion, blah, blah. Hey, wow, you know? But you'll be traveling Nigeria, Paris, Lagos, wherever, you know, being a presenter. And I was like, okay, cool. Then he said he wants to meet up with me and I need to go to Cape Town for casting. I even booked my flight. I'm going to Cape Town for casting. Man, kwaba nama red flags. Sikhuluma ku WhatsApp, sikhuluma ku Instagram. Ngithi, can you please send me an email with your work email? There was no work email. A day, okay, I met him. Ngimbuza ukuthi, okay.
You met where? In Joburg?
We met in Fire Room in Bedford.
Okay.
Face-to-face?
Face-to-face.
Hayi wena uThabo Bester ubuya la eceleni kwakho?
Njengoba sihleli so.
Happy Simelane Her Majesty has revealed that she too almost fell prey to Thabo Bester. She told Gogo's Ketenisha that she missed being scammed, exploited, trafficked, and possibly killed by Thabo Bester, you guys. She said that she finally decided to meet up with Thabo Bester 2 years later after he had been in her DM with a business proposal for 2 years, you guys. She met up with him and he presented her with a job that was too good to be true, she said. A TV presenting gig which will give her an opportunity to travel the world. Happy said that what made the deal too good to be true was when Thabo Bester said that she will be paid 55 million rands, you guys. So he said that the contract was worth that much. And that's when she decided to do her research on the company, you guys. When she asked him, Thabo Bester, for his business landline number, Dr. Nandipa picked up the phone. The number was actually that of Dr. Nandipa Magudumana's practice, you guys. Happy said that Dr. Nandipa then assured her that she and Thabo Bester have collaborated or something like that, assuring Happy that she should trust Bester as he is a legit businessman. Her Majesty said that she had actually planned to meet up with Thabo Bester in Cape Town, a meeting that he had set up with her. She said that she had already made Cape Town bookings, but her gut feeling had told her to cancel because when she and her team had done research, that the deal that Thabo had offered her had so many red flags, and she decided to block Thabo Bester. And yeah. Now there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Also, like, share, and subscribe. I will definitely see you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.